Hello my beautiful people, happy Saturday, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making some Callaloo juice, and I had some Callaloo for quite a while now. I have it on the freezer. It's quite a few months and I forgot about them, but I had some Callaloo juice in Jamaica and I said I have to make it when I go back home. Oh yes, nice. I'm making this when I go back home. And I've made lots of green juices, but this one is by far my favorite. So as you can see, all my family was enjoying it. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I have some lime and some ginger. We don't want any of them to overpower the other, so we're gonna take our time to add them. I'm gonna cut up my lime, peel and rinse my ginger, and I'm going to go ahead and blend the ginger separately. And the reason I always do that is because you don't want to overpower your drink. All right, whatever juice you're making, you don't want to overpower it with the ginger. So what I normally do is I put like a half a cup of water and I blend the ginger and extract the ginger juice. So when I'm ready to incorporate everything, I just gradually add the ginger. Another thing, when you're making a drink, some people peel the ginger, some don't. I am gonna peel mine, so it's totally up to you what you want to do. All right, so this has been in the Callaloo has been in the freezer for about 3 months or more, and I just want to rinse out that freezer taste because I don't have any fresh Callaloo from the backyard. I know that not everyone has access to fresh Callaloo, so I'm not really sure if you can use the one from the can, because you know once stuff is canned, it has preservative, so I'm not sure how that would work. If you can still rinse it off and make the juice, probably, I don't know. However, whenever you can, go ahead and try this juice, you will really love it. So here I have my ginger all blended. I'm gonna strain it twice just to ensure that there's no fiber left in it, because you don't really want, when you drink a juice, non ginger string go down your throat, you understand? So just make sure that you strain it properly. Now I'm gonna use about 4 cups of Callaloo. I don't think there's any measurement that's needed, because as I said before, I'm going to add my ginger gradually until it has my desired taste. Some people like a lot of ginger in their juice and some don't, so that is why I suggest adding it gradually until it has your desired taste. I definitely want to create a balance between all 3 ingredients, so I'm going to add my lime juice, and as I add my lime juice, I'm going to taste it, and I'm going to do the same for the ginger. So I'm going to strain it now, and I'm going to strain it twice. It's best if you have like a cheesecloth or some kind of mesh material, you know, just to strain this to ensure that there's no fiber. Or you can drink it with the fiber, that's fine, but I want mine to use in some pepper pot soup, so I'm not gonna discard it. Whatever is left in the strainer, I'm going to add it to some pepper pot soup. Alrighty, so now it's time to go ahead and just combine my lime and my ginger, and I'm gonna taste it as I go along. If you want some sort of sweetener, it all depending on your health. So if you don't use sugar, then just don't add any. Go ahead and drink it just the same. If you want a little sugar in there, add a little brown sugar. You can add some agave or some honey, whatever sweetener that you normally use. Go ahead and use it, or you can just drink it natural as is. It's totally up to you. Look at that beautiful juice. I really love it, and I hope everyone in my house take a glass of it, because you know when you juice, it doesn't last for a long time, so you want to drink this as fast as possible. Or you can just bottle it up and put it in the freezer, or make some ice cubes with them, whatever suits you. All right, so here we go. It's time to test it out, and here is everything that's left that I'm going to use in the pepper pot soup. And yeah, hopefully I can make some pepper pot soup today. If not, I'm gonna put it in the freezer until I'm ready to make it. So from what I'm examining right now, mine is way greener than the one that I had in the beginning of the video that I tried in the restaurant in Jamaica. I am not sure why. Maybe they used only the stalk, I'm not sure, but mine is way greener. Either way, both of them taste delicious. So go ahead and try it for yourself and let me come back and let me know in the comment section, because this juice is the bomb. All right, Trelawney, want to say have a beautiful weekend, enjoy yourself, and be safe. I love you guys, and come back to see my next video.